Here we're going to do a simple recipe, y'all. It's going to be delicious. It's going to be a pan-seared steak with caramelized onion recipe. So I got me some New York strip steaks. I'm telling you, it's going to be good. And a yellow onion sliced very thin. Along with that, I got some butter. This is about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then I have about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then you're going to use 2 cloves minced. And then you're going to use about 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Use your own judgment. And then I just want you to go ahead and use some smoked paprika. That's about a half a teaspoon. Along with that, we got a half a teaspoon of thyme. First thing I want you to end up doing, we're going to go ahead and prep our steak. I want you to pat that steak dry with some paper towels and let it sit out for about 30 minutes out of the fridge so it can come up to room temperature. After we've done that, we want to season our steak up with some salt, some pepper, and then we also want to season it up with the paprika so our steak can be all nice and ready to go when we get ready to pan-sear this thing. But season up both sides, all right? The second step we're going to end up doing, I want you to heat up at least around about a tablespoon of that olive oil and about a tablespoon of butter over a medium high heat. So I'm using a cast iron skillet, and this is what's going to help us sear up our onions. We're going to caramelize our onions at this particular point in time. So now I want you to go ahead and add your onions to this. Now with that, when you add your onions to the skillet, whatever that you use, cast iron is always the best. Add a pinch of salt to your onions. And what we want to do, we want to cook these onions for at least around about a good 10 to 15 minutes. And we want to stir constantly, all right? And then we want these to come to a golden brown caramelization type of texture in the color. Now, do this and watch it so you don't burn your onions. If they seem like they starting to burn real quick, y'all go ahead and reduce the heat. I want you to go ahead and set these to the side once your onions are done. All right, once your onions are done, we're going to go ahead and go to the next step. And what's the next step, right? We're going to sear our steak. In that same pan, I want you to increase that heat to medium high heat and add about 1 tablespoon of butter, but place your steak in that pan. And don't remove it like I just did, all right? And let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side so you can get a good sear on each side. All right, now once you've done that, now I did say 3 to 4 minutes on each side, according to how you like your meat. Some people like them blood raw rare. You know what I'm saying? If you like yours blood raw rare, then you cook yours accordingly to how you like them. But 3 to 4 minutes is going to be good per side. You know what I'm saying? So now I want you to go ahead and add your minced garlic. That's what I want you to do. After you just turn these babies over. Turn them over. I want you to add your minced garlic. And along with that, I want you to go ahead and add some butter for extra flavor. The reason why we're going to add the butter, the 1 tablespoon of butter and that garlic, we want to give these babies some flavor, y'all. You understand? Now, some of y'all can use fresh herbs if you like. You can use the herb medley that they sell in the produce section. They got rosemary, thyme, and parsley or whatever the case may be. But for me, I'm using dried thyme at this time. So I'm adding the dried thyme to the butter. And I just want to go ahead and cook all of this up together along with that garlic. Now, while I'm cooking this, I want to take me a spoon and I want to baste my steak with this here garlic, butter, and thyme flavoring. You hear what I'm saying? Just go ahead and start basting it. Now, once you've done that, what you could do is cook your steak accordingly to how you like it. Move your steak to the side and let it rest for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you can serve this baby up with your caramelized onions, and you better put your mouth to work on this here steak because it's just that good. Get you some garlic bread and go with this baby. Pair it up with whatever size you want, whether it be rice, mashed potatoes, asparagus, or whatever you like. Just go ahead and do the thing. So I just showed you a simple and easy, flavorful pan-seared steak with caramelized onions recipe. If you try this recipe, I guarantee you're gonna love it. Do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of each and every video that I'm gonna definitely post. All right, give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Let me know how you like cooking your steak. I want to know. Maybe I want to try your recipe. As you can see me plating this baby up right now, y'all. Let me just tell you, it was just that good. Countrified cooking is what we do, but you got to love everything that you cook. With as long as you put your anointed hands on it, it better be good and you better love it. So I always say this at the end of every video: love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Before you go, let me know what you think about this here video. Peace.